Infix. This word we can divide into two parts, in and fix. And what does it mean? In means within or in between, and fix, as we talked about, put and fasten. We put within a word, not at the beginning and not at the end. So infix is all about a letter we put in the middle of a word or within a word, like we had in prefix and suffix. We have some more information about infix, the definition. An infix is a type of affix that can be inserted within a word, as I talked about. And we have some more information about infix. One thing to keep in mind is that infixes are relatively very rare in English. Infixes are not very common, not very general. They are very rare. You can say that they normally do not occur in our day-to-day use of language. But you can find them in the plural forms of some words. I say some words, not all the words. Let's see the examples of infix. Cup full means cup is full, and we add s in the middle and it becomes cups full. Likewise, we have a spoonful, we add infix s in between within a word, and then we have a spoonsful. Likewise, we have passerby, and then we add s and then it becomes passersby. So they are not relatively very common in English language.